So this is how much we love you guys. We just did, oh my God, we're sliding. We just did a review and we're heading home, and just out of nowhere, it's a whiteout. Oh, I think they can see further than we can.
Yeah.
We want to watch through the gate. Holy shit. That's not cool, man. Are you feeling, do we need to pull over? That's not cool, man. Oh, we can see a little bit further now. Oh my God, but we're still slipping, aren't we?
No, it's the wind.
Oh, the wind's pushing us like that?
And now the sun's trying to come out.
Now the sun's trying to come out. Welcome to Michigan. First it's sunny, then you can't see, and then it's melting. And then you're slipping on ice into a ditch.
They call me a